Hi, it's Alistair from Lazarus Training, and in this video we're going to show you how to stop serious external bleeding from a leg using a water bottle. So one of the main preventable causes of pre-hospital death is serious external bleeding, and on our training courses and indeed on our YouTube channel we cover this in some depth. Now there are many different techniques that could be used. For example, using a tourniquet on the leg, for example packing a wound to put direct pressure onto the blood vessels, and even techniques such as indirect pressure or proximal pressure as it's now called. And on our YouTube channel we have plenty of video content such as the stuff linked up here that will show you those kind of topics being covered. But in this video, what we're going to do is use a technique that's shown in the American military's TCCC first aid training, combat lifesaver training they call it, where they use a bottle to put pressure on to stop bleeding from the leg. So I'm going to place my pressure device into that gutter. In this case it's my water bottle. It's going into this gutter created by the leg and the abdomen, which is a natural gap where the body moves. By this pressure, we compress the major blood vessel feeding into the leg, the femoral artery, and that will stop the flow of blood. So now we have the bottle in place, but we need to secure it. I'm going to use two tourniquets, which I've linked together. I appreciate many kits don't have two tourniquets, but it's anything that will secure it so that you can go hands off from the casualty. So the advantage of this is you can then use the windlass rod on the tourniquet to apply further pressure down through the bottle into the gutter, compressing the major blood vessel feeding into the leg. So this technique is very, very similar to an older technique, indirect pressure. And again, we have a video linked up here that shows you that technique in itself. This is an old technique, some debate about how effective it is, about blood vessels passing blood round, hands tiring, but it's a technique that's been around for a long time. In our archive in the office, we have the British Army's Royal Army Medical Corps training manual from 1911, and the technique is in there. So there's clearly something here of pressing that blood vessel to stop the flow of blood. So I hope you found this video useful about using a water bottle to stop serious external bleeding from a lower limb. If you've liked it, please like it. If you have questions, stick them in the comment section down below. If you're liking what you're seeing on the channel, don't forget to subscribe. This is going to sound crazy, but 90% of the people that watch our content are not subscribed, and so they're going to miss out on the next great video when it comes out. So subscribe, like, comment, all of that stuff, and we look forward to hearing from you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.